Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker makes healthy, delicious meals incredibly fast and easy. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's your all-in-one culinary assistant, combining 9 essential kitchen appliances into one sleek device. Imagine pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, or even making yogurt, all with a single, space-saving gadget. With 15 smart, customizable programs, one-touch cooking for everything from soup to cake is genuinely effortless. No more guesswork, just perfect results every time, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. Plus, its durable stainless steel inner pot means healthier cooking and super easy cleanup, making daily meals a breeze. This Instant Pot truly simplifies your busy life, allowing you to whip up incredible dishes in a fraction of the time. If you're looking for the best kitchen upgrade for 2025 to cook faster and smarter, this is absolutely worth the investment. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus now by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. It's a game changer we highly recommend for anyone wanting convenience and quality in their kitchen.